So in this Threads tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to view someone else's profile on Threads. So once you're into Threads, make sure to go either to the search bar right here. So go to the bottom left and press on the magnifying glass. Now, if you're here, you can go to the search bar. Now, if you want to find whatever photo or whatever profile you want. So if you wanted to do the New York Yankees, for example, you can search up the New York Yankees. And simply just press on Yankees right here, and there you go. You're now in your profile where you can view the threads or the replies from them. This works the exact same way on your feed. So if you just go to the bottom left here and press on what looks like the home icon, press on there. Now if you wanted to go to Tristan J22, I think that is Tristan Jass, and go to his profile picture, simply just press on his name right here. And there you go. You are now on his profile where you can check out his threads, you can check out his replies. That is pretty much how to view someone else's profile here on Threads. I hope this video helps.